Oh, are we recording?
Yeah.
Okay,
Stuff is happening, guys. Oh, Gian's turning evil. Gian's turning evil. He's taking. Joking!
Wait, Gian.
What?
Okay.
This! Stop.
Skip the part.
The mysterious Jin drinks water.
Please hum naman.
Lol. Oh. So, you guys, are you thirsty? There's water right here for you. Here, drink it. Yeah, was that good, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Jin drinks water from a distance. Dun, 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 dun. He's still sipping. Dun, 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 dun. And still sipping. Dun, 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 dun. Still sipping. Come on! Turn it. The mysterious tiger appears in the woods. Dun, 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 dun. He's still staring. Dun, 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 dun. Still. Oh wow! Gian is so scary that the mysterious tiger cat thingy ran away and went under the car.
Just like.
He's right there. See, you see that big white thing? Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Still drinking. My name is Gian. My name is Jin. Jin. You see that? That weird looking thing? You know, right there? Do you see it? See? There's something standing on that leaf. It's shouting. It's shouting. It's shouting my name. How does it know my name? This will be revealed.
Turning away.
The one who's calling my name was actually Gian. I already made a documentary about a cat before. No, it was a dog, I think. Mysterious cat, I think. Mysterious cat.
No.
In a mysterious world. Dun, 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 dun. Kinda looks like a pig, but it's not a pig. Kinda creepy, because it's looking right at our faces. Still looking.
No.
And he jumped to the roof. Hey, can you get a shuttlecock also? It's stuck in the roof. Please help us, cat. Okay, the cat's on the roof. Bye. Okay. We'll see you later, guys.